And we have two kind of printers here. We are now test the printer.
Yes, you can see it. Wow, what is this?
It is maybe something. Wow, I like this house. Spring.
Yeah, shining.
Yeah,
It's
this design I
like a web.
Yes. I think this design is someone design and insert the G code
into the memory.
Memory card. And if you want to connect with your computer, it's okay. We also will send you a memory card.
Yes.
So and the design you only to insert here.
Yes, don't worry about if you don't know how to install the software.
Yes, and we have software design to share with friends. So
yes,
the design
remember sunglasses?
Yes,
it's very cool. When the Mercy 3D printer is working.
Mercy, I think it's that Mercy.
Yeah. Don't look directly to the Mercy.
Yes, engraving printer.
Am I look cool? My friend?
Protect our eyes.
Yes, this one can protect your eyes from the laser. Yes.
Let's light laser light for long time. It will hurt your eyes. So we need these glasses.
Yes. This is our engraving laser
printer
machine.
Yeah, the printer machine. The material uses a border, paper, and bamboo. Substituting bamboo.
Yeah, leather. Also leather. You can see this is a cartoon girl, very cute one.
Yes. Any pictures you like, you can.
Thank you, friend. Thank you for giving us so many likes. Just give us more likes, okay? If you like our living show, like our machine.
Yes, this design also looks so simple, and this is a special design to make this machine look more
tidy.
Yes.
Yes.
Not
so mess.
The cables product inside this practice. The cables and the cool like robots, I think.
Yes.
This design is so special. Okay, this is a beautiful
cartoon girl.
Okay,
we have also designed on the computer. Yes, you can design whatever you want to wear.
Yeah,
to caption.
We can connect with computer directly.
Yes, no matter your company logo or the small toy you want to design, just
Yes. Make your design from the special software. This is one of the software you can make your design easy, and you can see it's easy. It is working. Yes, the color now is black and the blue. In future, we'll develop more colors to make it colorful.
Yes. We will keep improving. We have engineer, we have research and development department. Yes, so for the technical question, just contact with us. We can solve all the technical problems for you guys.
Yes, and this machine is not heavy.
Only small one, very cute one.
Almost one piece is body.
Yes.
Easy. And when you get the packages, only need to install these screws, and here, 4 screws, and then it can work.
Don't forget place the order during our living show, then you can get 20% discount.
Yes, 20% discount. Yes.
Yes, only
yes,
during
so
our living show. Yes. Only left one half.
This color, do you like this color? This PLC. This is the feeder line. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
it comes
it's
to
golden,
this one
golden
then.
color.
Yeah.
This model is look so cool. Okay, this is 3D module. You can print any design you want.
Hi friends, do you have any questions about our 3D printer?
Yeah, this printer size is 35 cm and the width and the length is 30 cm. So this range you can make the large modules. Okay, but we can't print 1 meter large modules. The
Yes.
height is 35 cm.
Yes.
cm. Yeah. This.
And you can see we have double motor here. Make the 3D printer more stable when it's working. Yes, we can,
Yes.
and it can auto sleep after finish the production.
Yes.
There's no need to get up to when you sleep. You don't need to get up to turn off the machine. It will be more very convenient.
Yes, and it's quiet when this machine is working. It's not so noisy.
Yes, no noise. Very.
The driver is mute drive.
Yes.
So when you print in your office or in home, it will not make a big noise. And this button. This button is for urgency stop. Urgency stop. This machine, if something the machine is something long, you can stop. Put your put stop here. Okay.
Yeah, you can see
front.
this is our operation screen. It's very easy to operate.
Yeah.
You can see it's the add button up. This is reduce, and this one is to change the place. Right, left, yes.
Left, right, up and down. Okay,
Wow.
we'll see our engineer.
Yes.
This is some made models we made from this
Wow.
3D model. So
This is
beautiful.
Chinese dragon, very cool. Do you like it, my friend?
太屌了！
It's a dragon, blue dragon. Do you like it?
I think I want to make a Superman.
Yes, Superman is also okay.
I might
This
not like
one, you can
Superman.
see
Wow.
Super Pikachu. It's a cartoon person. Maybe someone like the Superman. Also, if you want the
flower pots.
flower pots and also toys, you can also use our 3D printer to design the module.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Yes, Chinese dragon, very cool.
You see, look the design, the details. These
Hello.
lines, so details. It's so beautiful, and you can see like some graving.
Yeah, like carving.
Like carving.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
it is like a real dragon.
Hi.
过来过来，
Hi, Ada, you here?
Hello, I'm Winnie. How are you?
一起来一个。
Hello, my friend. So many beautiful, cute girls waiting for you. Why don't you place the order for us? Yes, you can get 20% discount today. You can see this is a very super max. Very like a rabbit.
I'm not sure what this means. Rabbit?
Yes, this one is the white one. We also have golden color, blue color, and green color.
30 28 colors we have now.
Yes.
And we'll have more colors.
Do you like it?